In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset EVs in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. EVs, aka effort values, are stats that you gain by defeating random Pokemon in the wild. Each Pokemon will give you a particular EV, so for example, you might gain an attack EV from defeating a Pokemon, you might gain a speed EV, and so on. Sometimes you might gain an undesired EV or effort value, such as defense, for example, and you can actually reset them. So to do this, you have two options. The first one, which is going to reset all of them, is going to be locked behind the DLC, but I'm also going to show you a method that doesn't require the DLC. So first, if you have the DLC, the best option by far is the Fresh Start Mochi. So you can use this item to reset all of the effort values of a particular Pokemon. So this is going to be a mochi cake with berries kneaded into its dough. It causes a Pokemon to lose all its base points, which is how they refer to the EVs. So all that you have to do is use this on any particular Pokemon that you want to reset the EVs for. To acquire these Fresh Start Mochis, the best way is going to be through the Ogre ousting. You might get one for free when you start the DLC or you go to a specific location, but if you want to farm them and get a bunch, you have to go over to the Ogre ousting, and in here you have to do group difficulty challenges. If you go into a group in the easy difficulty, you will have a chance to get one of these mochis. If you go on normal, you have two, and then if you go on hard, you will get three. And after you acquire them, you just open your bag and you choose the option to use it under the medicine tab. This will reset all of the EVs for one specific Pokemon. Now, if you don't have the DLC, you will need to use berries. So if you don't have any of the DLC, the berries I have listed here, and including one additional one, will remove 10 EVs per berry. So every time that you use one of these berries, it will remove 10 EVs from a particular Pokemon. The berries are going to be Pomag, Hondu, Kelpsie, Qualit, Grappa, and Tomato. And you will be able to check the stat by reading the description. So for example, the Qualit berry will remove 10 EVs from the defense stat. You can go to Port Marinada and talk to the vendor. Periodically, he will have a fairly large quantity of one berry, so you can get it from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset EVs in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.